Hey there, makeup enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're a beauty lover who's always on the lookout for versatile and comprehensive makeup options, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're diving into the world of the SHANY All-in-One Harmony Makeup Kit. Get ready for an in-depth review of this incredible kit, its array of colors, and how it can level up your makeup game. Let's jump right in. Behold the SHANY All-in-One Harmony Makeup Kit, a true beauty powerhouse that's caught the attention of makeup enthusiasts everywhere. This kit is packed with an impressive variety of colors and products, making it a one-stop solution for all your makeup needs. Now let's break down what's inside. This kit is like a treasure trove for makeup lovers. It includes a vast range of eyeshadows, blushes, lip colors, and even a selection of applicators and brushes. Whether you're into subtle everyday looks or bold creative expressions, this kit has got you covered. One of the standout features of this kit is the incredible color variety. From neutral tones to vibrant shades, there's something here for every mood and occasion. You'll find matte, shimmer, and satin finishes, allowing you to experiment and create endless makeup looks. Camera pans over a few eyeshadow shades and blush colors. Just imagine the endless possibilities. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, you'll never run out of inspiration with this kit. What's impressive about the SHANY All-in-One Harmony Makeup Kit is its versatility. You can use these shades not just on your eyes, but also for contouring, highlighting, and even experimenting with different lip looks. It's like having a professional makeup artist's palette at your fingertips. Alright, let's put this kit to the test. Today, I'm going to create a soft and romantic look using some of the eyeshadows and blushes from the palette. And there you have it, a gorgeous look using the SHANY All-in-One Harmony Makeup Kit. The shades blend beautifully and the pigmentation is impressive. Now, I know you might be wondering about real user experiences. We've scoured the internet for reviews, and many users have raved about the quality and value this kit offers. However, keep in mind that personal preferences can vary, so it's always a good idea to do your research before purchasing. To wrap things up, the SHANY All-in-One Harmony Makeup Kit is a fantastic investment for makeup lovers who want variety, quality, and endless creative potential. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned makeup artist, this kit will definitely find its place in your collection. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more beauty content. And remember, makeup is all about self-expression and having fun, so don't be afraid to play around and let your creativity shine. Stay connected with us on social media and join us in our next video, where we'll explore more exciting beauty finds. Thanks for tuning in, beauties. Until next time, keep slaying and spreading those positive vibes. Bye for now.